A new leak of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra gives us our first real look at the color choices. These are new wallpapers that can be found in One UI 8.5. A much bigger problem is shown by another leak. Samsung's chip business is focusing on making $69 billion in profits. And that choice has a direct effect on the specs and price of the S26 Ultra. Today, let's talk about every color, every leak, and the strange business choice that could explain why the S26 Ultra doesn't seem like much of an improvement. It is thought that the new wallpapers seen inside One UI 8.5 show the original S26 Ultra colorways. Even though the source wasn't the most reliable, the leak has a lot more weight now that Ice Universe seems to back it up. One of the screens has a bright orange theme, which makes it very likely that Samsung will release an orange colorway, which was hinted at in earlier leaks. There are 6 different themes in the wallpapers: orange, silver, white, pink, black, and teal. As always though, not all colors may make it to shops. Samsung might keep some as online-only choices, and the orange one could be one of them. A big find inside One UI 8.5 is a hidden code that confirms a long-overdue upgrade to the S26 series. This has been talked about in a separate leak. The second big leak isn't about colors. This is why the numbers for the Galaxy S26 Ultra seem to have stayed the same. The semiconductor part of Samsung, called DS, is expected to make a profit of $69 billion by 2026. This is because high-end memory chips used in AI and graphics systems are in such high demand. This demand is so high that Samsung is said to be asking Nvidia twice as much for its HBM4 memory. Chip prices are going up so quickly that PCs, consoles, laptops, and smartphones are in danger, according to leaders in the industry like the CEO of Epic Games. Samsung's MX division, which makes the Galaxy S26 line, asked for a long-term deal on mobile memory to keep costs stable. But the DS section said no because they were focused on making money and the growing market for AI chips. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.